Namaskar. Today I'll share a story of a cage, Pinjra. So once there was a sweet shop owner, and every night when he would come back home, he would bring the leftover sweets from his shop in a bag. And there was a mouse in his house. So he would wait for the shopkeeper to come back home because he would get the sweets. The shopkeeper was very upset, because every morning when he would get up, he would see that the sweet is either eaten half or eaten full from his bag, and he was very upset. So one day, when he comes back home, he brings a cage. So when the mouse gets inside the bag in search of sweets, he finds a cage. So the mouse gets very hassled. He gets very scared. So in the same house, there was a pigeon, a chicken, and a goat. The mouse goes to the pigeon first, and he says there is a cage in the house now. So pigeon says, so what can I do? It's for you. You will be caught in the cage. So the mouse gets very scared. Then he goes to the chicken and he tells the chicken, see, there is a cage in the house. So chicken also tells him, what can I do? This is for you. So now the mouse gets very disheartened and he feels that I should not stay in this house any longer and I should just run away. So he goes away from the house. The same night, the shopkeeper puts the cage and he sets it for the mouse to be trapped in it. But since the mouse has already gone away from the house, a snake gets trapped in the cage. And when the shopkeeper goes to see the cage, the snake bites him. And with the snake bite, he's hospitalized and he goes to a doctor, and the doctor tells him that for the treatment you need to have a pigeon soup that will give you energy. So when the shopkeeper comes back home, he just cuts the pigeon and makes a soup out of it and has it. And then when shopkeeper is unwell, so a lot of his relatives come to see him, and because it's their tradition, they feed the relatives who come to see him. So what they do, they cut the chicken and give a feast to all his relatives. So the chicken is also gone now, and after a few days, when the shopkeeper is fully recovered, as a tradition, the goat sacrifice is to be done. So now the goat is also sacrificed. So the moral of the story is that the cage is like problems. All these animals in the house did not support mouse. They told him that this cage is for you, and same way like we people think that this is not my problem, these problems are for others, and we don't support each other. See, in life the problems can come anytime, and if we don't support each other, we become selfish, and tomorrow it may be our turn to face the problem or same problem. So we should support each other in difficult times. We should be kind. We should give them moral support. We should give them all kind of support needed in the difficult times. So tomorrow when our time comes to face the challenges or difficulties, the other people will also support us. So be kind, be supportive, and stay safe. God bless us all.